Hello and welcome to The Only Way is Open Source. In this short video, I shall be showing you how to update Joomla in 6 easy steps, with a copy of these instructions in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and navigate to the back end of your Joomla website. Log in using an administrative account and ensure you're on the home dashboard page. Within the notifications section, you'll be informed if there's an available update. As you can see for me, I have an available update. So just left click on this icon. Before updating to the next available version of Joomla, check all the requirements. For me, everything is green and looking good. So click Update. If you're happy to do so, tick the box where it says I'm aware that backup before any update is highly recommended, and select Start Update. Once it's complete, you will be informed. If you want to update to the next major milestone, we need to do a couple of changes. So navigate to the update page. We can get there in 2 ways. We can either select Options from the top right, or we can go to System, Global Configuration, and then Joomla Update. Here, change the update channel from Default to Joomla Next. Click Save. Go to System, and then within the Update section, select Joomla. Now we have the option to update to Joomla 5.1.0. Again, check that your system meets all the requirements, and if everything is green, click the Update button. If you're happy to do so, again, tick the box that says I'm aware that a backup before any update is highly recommended, and then press Start Update. As you can see, this update has gone through and has been complete. Now we need to switch the update source back to default. So again, we can either get there by clicking on Options, or we can go to System, Global Configuration, Joomla Update. By Update Channel, select the drop down and select Default. Click Save. If I head on over to the home dashboard, we can see that Joomla is up to date and there are no more updates available.